In this video, we are gonna do something very unique. We are gonna fly 4 drones and follow a bike, and we are gonna observe their tracking ability and their video quality. The 4 drones are the DJI 4 Mini Pro, the DJI Flip, the DJI Neo 2, and the HoverAir Pro Max. Alright, very exciting. All these drones are going to be in self-flying mode, and hopefully they will all coexist. And I'll pause it occasionally to tell you what I am observing. So on the upper left corner is the GoPro. It is facing backwards. On the upper left corner is a GoPro Hero 10, just showing you how the drones are tracking. The Mini 4 Pro did not record because it is not automatic recording. So we have the 3 drones to compare, the follow me drones, and the conditions are very tough because it's almost sunset and it will be sun facing a lot of the times. The first thing I want to show off is the DJI Flip. On the lower left, it puts the exposure on the rider, so you can see the detail on the rider, overexposes the horizon sun, and that's fine. The DJI Neo 2 probably has the least quality on the upper right corner, and the HoverAir, it exposes kind of on the sun, so the subject is quite dark. So just a couple observations for now. All right, it's flying, so really cool that they're all able to coexist, bumping into each other. Often they are all on fairly close tracking mode, and you'll notice that they all tilt, but you don't see that on the video. They have some gimbal that compensates for that. All right, next freeze frame, I'll show you the HoverAir, and we have ideal conditions now. We are now front lit, and you can see some really good color on the HoverAir. It has a little bit wider angle of view as well. On the upper right is the DJI Neo 2, the least expensive one, and it's got good color as well. Detail is not quite as sharp, but quite impressive. And then the lower left is the DJI Flip, probably one of the not as vibrant on the color, but really good detail. All right, on with the test, and the Neo 2 follows the closest, and the HoverAir at one point had a problem where it collided with another drone, and it said collision detected. It actually stopped in place. The other drones, even with the collision, don't really care. They just keep going. So some of the observations. So we will have individual reviews on all these drones.